In a world where car theft happens every 30 seconds, you don't need luck. You need layered protection. Get protected with the ultimate car safety and security solution that includes the LoJack system, LoJack Decoy, Blackview 4K Dashcam, and key protection Faraday bags. The LoJack system is not just any tracking system. It's a comprehensive solution for vehicle owners seeking peace of mind. With its hidden transceiver, it provides real-time location updates and alerts. If your car equipped with LoJack gets stolen, there's a more than 98% chance of recovery, with encrypted GPS tracking and a 26-minute average recovery time. It's your car's silent guardian. The LoJack Decoy throws thieves off, buying you precious time. With the Blackview Dashcam, you record everything in stunning 4K. Here are some key features of the LoJack system.